Have you used a lot of products on your skin with no actual results? Do you have a tough and dry skin that makes it difficult for products to penetrate? Well, today I'll be showing you how to make an organic exfoliating and brightening body scrub. Now, this body scrub is going to gently exfoliate your skin, thereby getting rid of all the dead skin cells and reviewing newer skin. Okay. Welcome to Bloom Skincare. Emeka is the name, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for all your support and encouragement. If you are yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Click on the subscription button below and turn on your post notification bell so as to be notified every time I upload a new video. Look at that, guys. Look at how glossy and glistening it is. So let's get right into it, guys. We're going to start by introducing our ingredients. The key ingredient in this formula is our sugar. Today we'll be using our white sugar, and sugar is a very good source of glycolic acid. Glycolic acid is a chemical exfoliant that is going to gently take out all the dead layers of skin on your body, revealing new skin. We also have our Gemal Plus, which is our preservative in this formula. Like I said, whenever you're making anything that will come in contact with water, you need preservative. We also have our honey, which is going to act as our moisturizer. We have our shower gel that is going to act as our foaming agent. You can also use your cocoa butin if you have that, and we have our botanical powder. In here we have our turmeric, our mulberry, licorice, sandalwood, and neem powder. So to start the process, what you need to do is to turn in your powders into your sugar and mix thoroughly. This is a very simple recipe. There are no real measurements. This is just a cup of sugar, and here I have a teaspoon of each of my powders: turmeric, mulberry, sandalwood, and licorice. So you stir it properly, make sure it is completely mixed in together before you go in with your other ingredients. Next up, you go in with your shower gel. Now the amount of shower gel you add into your scrub depends on the texture you want at the end of the day. If you want it very runny or if you want it very thick, that will determine the amount of shower gel you add into it. So you just give it a good stir to combine all the sugar and botanical powders with the shower gel, after which you go in with your honey. Now, honey is one of the most important ingredients we have here because it's going to help with moisturizing your skin, preventing your skin from going dry. It also has antibacterial properties that will help to prevent from any skin reactions. Once you put in your honey, you go ahead and you give it a very good stir, incorporating all your powders and your liquids together. Now, once you're done with your honey, you can see that the consistency is still very thick. It hasn't still arrived to the exact consistency that I want. So I'm going to go ahead and add in a bit more of my shower gel. Please always remember to add this in batches. It's better safe than sorry. So I add in my shower gel and I go ahead to give it like a really good stir, and you can see that immediately the formula begins to lighten up, to become a bit more malleable, which was what I wanted, so that you can use it all over your body. Next, I'll be going in with one of my favorite oils. This is my 42 hours oil. I have just very little remaining. It's a glow oil, and I just needed something to help glow my skin in this scrub.
Please remember that you can also use any other oil you have, be it your carrot oil, be it your avocado oil, and then I'll be going in with my preservative. Now, this is optional, but if you're making a batch to sell, I highly advise that you add in preservative. So once I add my preservative into the mixture, I go ahead and I stir everything together. You can see how beautiful and luscious this scrub looks. So just for a patch test, I want you to see what it looks like, how it instantly gives you a glow on your skin. Can you see that? Can you see how shiny and glowing that area has become? So now that we are done making our scrub, all that is left is to turn it into a container. Guys, look at how beautiful this scrub looks. So guys, if you've enjoyed this video, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel. Okay, scroll down below and click on that subscription button, guys. That's the way to encourage me. Turn on your post notification bell also, so as to be notified every time I upload a new video. So when it comes to usage, you can use this at least 2 to 3 times every week. You're not supposed to use your scrub every day, because then you might risk drying out your own skin. But 2 to 3 times every week is very ideal. Look at how beautiful that looks, guys. This is going to absolutely glow and even out your skin tone. Okay, now if you have any questions, any observations, kindly drop them all at the comment section below. I would love to reply to all your questions.